Part of speech. How many types of part of speech? 8. Which? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection, preposition. First, noun. What is meant by noun? A noun is a word used to name a person, place, things, or an idea. For example, house, teacher, cup. Sentence: my teacher is a very nice person. Here, teacher is a noun. Second, pronoun. What is meant by pronoun? A pronoun is a word that can be used instead of a noun. For example, I, she, our, they, it. Sentence: Sanskruti is a very nice friend. She always helps me with my homework. Here, she is a pronoun. Number 3, verb. What is meant by verb? A verb is an action word that describes what the subject is doing. For example, run, walk, push, eat. Sentence: Akshita ran to school because she was late. Here, ran is a verb. Next number, adverb. What is meant by adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. For example, slowly, yesterday, always. Sentence: Akshita is always late for school. Here, always is adverb and late is adjective. Next, adjective. What is meant by adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, short, red, old, beautiful, great. Sentence: Ashoka was a great king. Here, great is an adjective. Next, conjunction. What is meant by conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins two words, paras, class in a sentence. For example, and, but, although, or. Sentence: I like to watch the TV and eat popcorn. Here, and is a conjunction. Next, interjection. What is meant by interjection? An interjection is a word or paras that is used to express an emotion. For example, wow, hey, oh. Sentence: Wow, the view is amazing. Here, wow is a interjection. Next, preposition. What is meant by preposition? A preposition is a word that connects nouns, pronouns, or paras to the other words in a sentence. For example, under, above, during, over. Sentence: The cat jumped over the box. Here, over is a preposition. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe me. Thank you for watching my video.